What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Chewy technical analysis, ticker symbol CHWY. What I see on the chart looks pretty bullish, so I'm going to show you guys exactly why you should be keeping an eye on Chewy this week. If you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a free trading community where we can talk about any of the stocks you're interested in buying or even hopping into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Alrighty guys, so right here we have Chewy pulled up on the chart, and the first thing I know with Chewy is that they are in a clean, nice uptrend overall, and after this recent pullback, this is a great dip opportunity that we should be looking at buying. So as you can see, I already have my support and resistance lines mapped out. If you want to learn how to draw support and resistance lines like this, make sure to check out the card above on your screen right now. But if we zoom in, we'll see that Chewy had earnings pretty recently, and they crushed earnings, and they went from about $78 all the way to a high of $92. I actually swung a call debit spread through earnings for Chewy, and I made 100% return on that, so I got pretty lucky with that. But as we can see, Chewy is starting to reverse back down into this range that they've been trading in. We can see that this is a strong support level on Chewy. If we zoom out on the chart, we'll see that they've been holding this the support line pretty consistently. Right over here, they popped off from this support, and then when they fell back down recently, they bounced off it right here, and over here before earnings. So this is something to keep an eye on. As you can see, Chewy is starting to give back some of the gains from earnings. So definitely look to go long on Chewy if they can fall back down around the $78 to even $80 range. Chewy is a great company overall, and from their all-time high at 120, whenever the market starts to reverse and Chewy follows suit, you'll be sitting pretty nice on your money. This is a great area you want to be buying shares or even swinging a call option for the stock. If we also go to the daily time frame, we'll see that right over here they gapped up because of earnings, as I said before, and now they're starting to fill that gap that they created on the chart. So once this gap is filled, definitely expect a bounce from this bottom support level as they've done multiple times in the past, and look for a retest back up to this overhead resistance, which is at $87. So this is why you should be keeping an eye on Chewy this week. As I said before, they're giving back some of those gains from earnings because the stock shot up like crazy. So definitely look to go long on Chewy this week. You can buy a call option expiring 2 weeks out. Those should be pretty good, or you could even accumulate shares if you have more money. So let me know what you guys think about Chewy in the comment section down below, and whether or not you'll be playing this stock as well. As I said before, Chewy's been in a nice uptrend this whole run, bouncing consistently off of this 50 SMA, and ever since this crazy fall, they've kind of been trading sideways, as I said before, but expect Chewy to bounce out of this range relatively soon and create newer highs. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.